Today we will understand the different terms associated with the linear programming problem or LPP. For understanding that, let us take an example. LPP we have to plot graphically where maximize z is equal to 3x plus 4y such that the constraints x plus y is less than equal to 4 and x is greater than equal to 0, y is greater than equal to 0, and we have already plotted the graph for this. Now here the objective function is z. Z is equal to 3x plus 4y and we have to maximize it. Actually, you can maximize, you can minimize as per the need of the question. So here we are given to maximize z function and that function is defined as 3x plus 4y, and x and y variables are here called the decision variables. These are called decision variables because on the values of x and y we can find the value of z. Right? Now here we are given the constraints. X plus y is less than equal to 4, x is greater than equal to 0 and y is greater than equal to 0. So these three are the constraints, and x is greater than equal to 0 and y greater than 0. It tells us that we have the graph for this particular LPP in the first quadrant, right? X and y both are positive. Is okay. So next is optimization problem. Now optimization problem we define as a problem that seeks to maximize or minimize a linear function subject to certain constraints, right? So next term we have to deal with the feasible region. Feasible region is the common region which is determined by all the constraints including the non-negative constraint, for example here x and y. So here we have three constraints and the region bounded by these constraints is our feasible region. So here you see that we have the shaded part which is defined by OAB, and this region is actually the feasible region. Feasible solution, the points which are on the boundary of the feasible region and within the region, they are the feasible solutions. Okay, so the here for example we can say that 0, O, A and B, these three are the feasible solutions. Now any solution which is lying outside the feasible region, that would be called the infeasible solution. For example, if I take any point here and since this point is lying outside this feasible region, that shows the infeasible solution. Then next comes the optimal feasible solution. Now optimal feasible solution is any point in the feasible region that gives the optimal value. Now here we have to find the optimal value which is maximum value, that would be maximum. So in other question it would be minimum and in some question it may be maximum and minimum both. So those values would be the optimal solutions. Now here you note that this region is bounded by the three line segments OA, AB and BO, and this is a closed one. Now whenever you have this type of situation, then the z function would have the maximum as well as the minimum value, right? So maximum and minimum value lies you can find out for any bounded region. But if the region is not bounded, then it may or it may not have the maximum or minimum value, and if it exists, it occurs at the corner point. For example, here the corner points are this O point, A point and B point. And if it is suppose that it is not bounded, it is unbounded, then the value, if it exists, the maximum or the minimum, that would be on the corner points. So we have today learned different terms which are objective function. Objective function is z function, decision variables x and y, constraints, these three are the constraints, optimization problem, this problem is the optimization problem where we have to maximize the z function, feasible region, this region which is bounded, and here we have the shaded feasible solution, the solution which lies on this feasible, on the boundary of this feasible region and within the feasible region, that would be the feasible solution. And if some point is lying outside the feasible region, that would be nothing but infeasible solution. Then optimal feasible solution, that is the maximum or the minimum value that we have to find. So this is about the LPP and its different terms.